Here we are at the front passenger seat. There's going to be 4 bolts holding the seat down that we need to remove. We'll slide the seat far enough so we can expose the 2 front bolts under these 2 covers. The mounting bolts for the seat are all going to be 14 millimeters. Once we have the front 2 off, we'll slide the seat forward, exposing the back ones. And then we'll move the seat into its center position. Before unplugging the connectors to the seat, we'll have to disconnect the negative battery terminal so we don't risk deploying the airbag or causing any airbag error codes. There's going to be 4 connectors in total and 3 tabs holding the harness in. As you can tell, the yellow plug, this goes to the airbag, has a different design compared to the other ones. It may look a little confusing to remove at first, but it's much easier to remove than the other ones. All we have to do is pull up on the center tab and it'll disconnect. Just a side note, before removing the seat out of the car, you can lay a towel down over this trim panel if you like, because if the frame rail makes contact with it, it will scuff. Since the lower trim panel on mine was already scuffed, I didn't care to put a towel down. Once we have the seat back in and the plugs plugged in, we can now connect the battery. And lastly, after mounting the seat, we just have to slide these covers back on. Thanks for watching.